Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. The ICAR rank cards for PG entrance exam has been released 2 days ago and the counseling process has been started. So everyone has the question how we should have preferences and how our rank will affect our preferences of choices and how we can get the desired college. So in this today video we will discuss this. Before going to depth of video, I would like to congratulate all 107 candidates who were participated in mock test phase 1 and phase 2 organized by Team Agriculture AgriEdu for BTech students. So these are some toppers for All India rank 1 Mr. Prabhat Oja and rest all these successive aspirants has been performed well. The Team AgriEdu feel very happy and proud being little part in their efforts and wish you more success in your journeys. So guys, the counseling has been started. Obviously the topper's choice is, or any agriculture graduate want to complete his degree from centralized universities of ICAR, that is IRI. Again, after that, the Punjab Agriculture University, Pantnagar or TNU are some good universities which are frequently having research opportunities, job opportunities, placement opportunities. So the topper's choice will be these 4 universities. What are the factors we should consider while choosing the college? So guys, while you will give the preference list, you should look these components while choosing college. First one is campus placement. Obviously, after the completion of master's degree, we need a good job in our hand. So the college placement cell and its all parameters should be checked while giving preference. Then alumni interactions. In our professional life, when we will in master's degree phase, we will get to know that many job opportunities, many research opportunities and the field updates are mostly highlighted with alumni. Our alumni are the guides who give us direction to our career. So guys, how the college has alumni interaction, it is also an important part. Then last and third thing, research opportunities. So while you are doing any project, is it sponsored by any company or government projects, or this project having multi angles, etc. So the research opportunities offered by the college should also check. Next one is fee structure. Yes, obviously everyone considers and bother about it that fee structure should be in our range. So fee structure should be considered and GRF scholarship. As rank cards has been released, those who will get the admission through ICAR rank, he will receive the NTP National Talent Scholarship 5,000 per month from ICAR. So and it is allowed to students who will take admission in other states, means away from their home state. This is criteria of this scholarship. So guys, these 4-5 parameters you should consider while choosing the factors. Then choice of preference. Obviously guys, even if we have very less rank, see, suppose someone has 300, 200 or 100th rank and he has very good rank in his category or in EWS. So guys, while choosing the preference, always first choose the top colleges, whether you are eligible or not eligible. If you won't get that college, you will never get that college. But is there any miracle or any condition probability appears and you might eligible for that college? So don't lose that opportunity and always fill up the top colleges in first preferences. Then this for second preferences, the department. Everyone wants to specialize in their favorite department or the department of interest. So departments of various colleges should be then preferred accordingly, and rest are the alternatives. After your top colleges and your favorite preferences, you should have rest alternatives. So we will suggest that your references should be IRI, Pantnagar, Hisar, then TNU, then Punjab Agriculture University. These are four five top agriculture universities for agriculture engineering. After that comes UAS Bangalore, then Rahuri, Jabalpur, Raichur, Raipur, Junagadh, Kerala Agriculture University, then CAE Bihar, then Dapoli, Akola, etc. Many universities also are there. So according to your preference, interest, and the factors we were considering before the starting of the video should be considered while these preferences. So guys, hope your idea about your preferences might be clear. So don't stick up to your ranks. Even if you have very low rank, you will get definitely the department you want and a very good college for masters. For any further queries or counseling or anything, you might contact us on our Telegram channel for agriculture engineers, the team AgriEdu at Agroneer MCQ and Agroneer. If you are new to the